Straub's article goes through the process of responding to other students' writing by putting yourself in the shoes and considering how you can comment for it to be the most benefit to that student. And some important notes to remember are that being specific is the only real way that the writer can truly understand what you're commenting and what they should work on. There should also be a good balance between positive and negative, positive and constructive feedback. And a problem I've often come across when doing peer comments is that I tend to pair up with friends that are, as Straub calls them, the ever faithful friend. And that means they are often hesitant to point out the problems and area improvement in fear of hurting my feelings. And so a technique that I've seen used in some of my classes that has helped overcome this is called the feedback sandwich. And what this means is that constructive feedback is balanced in between two pieces of positive feedback. And so in my experience, this has been helpful in receiving at least some constructive aspects, but it can also limit the problem that the responder points out because it always has to be balanced by two positive ones. In the example response Straub gives, the comments relate mainly to larger matters of writing and does not mention the wording or sentence level errors in the writing because these can easily be caught by the writer when doing revisions. I hope that the responses I get out of this class will follow the standards outlined by Straub in order to get the maximum improvement. Lastly, I like the idea of tailoring the response to each individual by taking the personality of the writer into account, such as if they're more conservative, outgoing, or perhaps struggling in the class to understand the material and assignments, as this will again benefit the student or the writer to the max.